Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, if you guys use this sound today, like this video, comment bread, and subscribe down below. Then I'll give you guys this piece of bread. If you guys do all of that. And I won't comment on your videos. I will just to the challenge. If you guys, the longest comment, whoever spams bread, the longest gets pinned. So if you guys comment bread as many times as you can, then I will shout out the person that has the longest comment. So comment bread as many times as you can. Share it to as many people as you can as well. Subscribe, like, and use the sound and remix it. So, see you guys.